Welcome to Qingdao Huading Industry Co. Limited, a leading manufacturer of comprehensive logistics and warehousing products in China. We are thrilled to announce our participation in the 12th Indonesia International Auto Parts Accessories and Equip Exhibition. At Huading Industry, we specialize in producing a wide range of reusable packaging solutions. Our products mainly include plastic pallets, plastic pallet boxes, plastic sleeve boxes, and folding boxes. Our team of experts will work closely with you to develop tailored packaging designs that optimize efficiency and protect your valuable goods. Join us at INAPA 2023, taking place from May 24th to 26th at the Jakarta International Expo Kemayoran, Jakarta, Indonesia. You can find us in Hall D1, booth D1C408. Visit our booth at INAPA 2023 or contact us today to learn more.